I am leaving on a quick weekend trip in my van, and honestly, this could not have come at a more perfect time. Hey everybody, Corey from the future here. I decided to make this change after I had filmed this video, so I just wanted to jump in here at the beginning and let you all know, just in case you didn't see my short video that I posted on Tuesday, I've decided that I'm going to change up my video schedule. Instead of Tuesdays at 6 p.m. Central Time, I'm going to start posting my videos on Thursdays at 6 p.m. Central Time. The reason why is because I film my videos over the weekend, and most of the time I'm able to get those videos out in time for Tuesday. However, there's certain times, like this past weekend, I didn't get home until Monday night, so I didn't have enough time to get my video edited and posted by Tuesday evening. So instead of posting on Tuesdays, I've decided to give myself a couple more days, and just to make it a little bit easier for me to get things edited and to help me stay consistent with my video schedule so I don't have to keep delaying my videos. I want to be more consistent and have my videos come out on time, and by moving my video schedule to Thursdays, I think that's really going to help. So I just wanted to come on here and let you all know that, just in case you missed the short video that I posted back on Tuesday. So now, back to the regular video. The main reason why I'm going on this trip is because Sunday night I have a concert that I'm going to in Fort Worth, Texas. So instead of just going down there for the day, I thought I would make a weekend out of it. I have no plans of what I want to do when I get there besides that concert, so I figured I would just head out and see what happens. However, before I do that though, I need to desperately get my van cleaned out because I've been doing so much work in there. It's a complete mess right now. And also, I still have these wires for the solar panels up here. I need to get the solar panels down because they're not attached, they're just laying up there. So I need to get those down and put those up, and then I'll get the van cleaned out. Very close to the point where I can put these on my roof permanently. Okay, so I have everything packed now and ready to go. It is currently, I'm kind of curious as to how the temperature is going to be different in Texas than it is here. It's currently 102 degrees here, and I can't imagine it getting any better as I go south. Also, my battery is at 89.5%. and it'll take about 39 minutes of driving to get up to 100%. So that's not bad. Oh shoot. Dang thing. I keep forgetting that window covering is up. And I kind of need it down. Make sure there's no one behind me. Got a stop sign here, so let me get that off there real quick. Okay. All right. So I stopped in Durant, Oklahoma, which is pretty close to the Texas border. There's a casino here that I wanted to stop at. I've never been to this one before, and it's been a very long time since I've been to a casino, so I thought I would stop in and try my luck. I was down there for a while, and then I won most of my money back, and at that point I was like, okay, I'm done. I'm not going to put any more of it back into the machines. So what I'm going to do now, I was going to try to sleep in this parking lot. It's a parking garage. However, I'm not 100% sure if how much security is around here, and I really don't want anybody knocking on my door in the middle of the night. So I think what I'm going to do is, there's a Cracker Barrel about 30 minutes down the road, so I'm going to go there and sleep there for the night. The temperature, the highest, I believe whenever I left my house, it was 104 degrees. The highest I saw it on my van thermometer, and I saw a couple of temperature signs next to the highway. It was 111 today in southern Oklahoma. So it's pretty hot in here right now, and it's 10:45 at night. So I'm just going to, instead of sleeping in this parking garage, I'm going to make my way to Cracker Barrel, where I know that they allow overnight parking, just so I don't have to worry about that. And then I can turn my back fan on and get a little bit of airflow in here. It was extremely packed in there today. Every hour they've been giving away $10,000, and then at 1 o'clock in the morning they're giving somebody $1 million tonight. Which I'm not sticking around for that, because I haven't put any entries in, so I'm 100% sure I'm not going to be a millionaire from that. So now I'm going to head down the road, and I'll pick you back up when I get to the Cracker Barrel. Okay. Alright, so I've got all of my windows covered now, except my driver's side window. I'm going to leave that uncovered for now, just so I can scope everything out, make sure I feel safe here, and then once I feel safe, I'll cover it up for the night. Tomorrow morning, I have no plans for tomorrow. This is a pretty random trip. Besides the... Let me turn the light up. Okay. That might be a little bit better. Besides the concert that I'm going to tomorrow night, that's the only plan that I have. So the rest of this trip is pretty much going to be random. So tomorrow, since I'm staying in the Cracker Barrel parking lot, I'll more than likely eat breakfast there in the morning, and then head on down to Fort Worth, and we'll figure out what we're going to do when we get there. So I went in and ate breakfast at the Cracker Barrel, and it was amazing as always. This is one of my favorite places to eat breakfast at, so the fact that I can park overnight and then eat breakfast the next morning, it's perfect. So now I'm going to make my way down to Fort Worth and I guess figure out what I'm going to do for the day until the concert tonight. I probably had the worst night in the van so far last night. It was very hot, and I had a horrible time falling asleep. I think I finally fell asleep around 3:30 this morning, and then I planned on waking up around 7, but I didn't wake up until about 8:30, so I got about 5 hours of sleep, so I guess it's not horrible, but I was up and down all night. But tonight I don't have to worry about that. Tonight I'm getting a hotel room so I can take a shower before the concert, so I will be nice and cool tonight. Well, this hotel is a little bit nicer than I thought it was going to be, which is good. It's a little warm in here, but I just turned the air conditioner up, so hopefully it'll cool off. But I'll show you around real quick. So it's got this living room area with a desk. That's nice to be able to get some work done. It's got a big TV. It's got a, looks like a small coffee bar there. Microwave and a refrigerator. I'm glad that it has a microwave because I brought some ramen, so I'll put that to use. Big bed, which is pretty comfortable. Air conditioner, I turned the temp down on it and the fan up, and I can already feel it getting cooler in here, so that's good. Hello. And then sink. In the bathroom, which I'm about to test out that shower right now. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you the view. I'm on the first floor and we have an awesome view of the highway. You guys, I was just fixing some ramen and I got the water put in it and everything and realized I don't have a fork or anything to eat this with. So I saw this, so I was going to try to use this stick to eat the ramen because that's the only thing that I could find that would possibly work. And then I went to put it in the microwave and look. They have plasticware in the microwave. Thank goodness. That'll make it a whole lot easier to eat. Oh, this couch is very firm. Alright, so it's the next day and I'm not gonna lie, I slept amazing last night. When I book things like this, I need to be a little bit more smarter about it. I have no business going further south in the summer. It's wet, especially in a van. Now, whenever I get a hotel room, that's perfectly fine. No problems at all. But when I'm sleeping in my van, that's a completely different story. Last night I went to the Phil Wickham and Brandon Lake concert. It was awesome. I had a really good time. I was thinking about this last night. It's been like, I think 15 years since I went to a concert like that. I was able to film in there, however, I can't post the music on YouTube because YouTube will flag it as copyright. So I'll just throw a few clips up on the screen. If you all would like to check out their music, I'll be sure to link it down in the description below. But now, I'm gonna make the 5-hour trip back home. Hey Siri, can you get me home? Oh, excuse me, 4 hours and 43 minutes.
For 172 miles, continue straight on.
You guys, okay, first of all, I made it home. Second of all, while I was down in Texas, Oklahoma got a cold front move through. So we have had high temperatures in the 80s and lows in the lower 60s. I'm so excited for this because it's going to make it so much more pleasant sleeping in the van with temperatures like that. After probably a month of temperatures over 100 degrees and the lows at night getting to the lower 80s, maybe 78, 79 degrees, having nights in the lower 60s feels amazing right now. Now, it's not going to last very long. I've heard that we're about to enter into another heat wave after this cold front moves through, where temperatures are going to be back up in the mid 90s to near 100. I'm just going to enjoy it while it lasts. However, I have heard that they're looking at mid-September for a couple more cold fronts to come through, and we should start feeling like fall by then. I'm so excited for that. Now, as I was driving home today, I was thinking about this video, and I realized that I didn't do a whole lot that I could film. I went to the casino, which technically you're not supposed to film in the casino, but I had my phone on me, so I took a quick video of the slot machine that I was playing. And then the concert I was able to film, so I got a few videos of that. However, I can't put the music on here because I will get a copyright violation on my YouTube channel, and I don't want that. So I'm sorry about that. However, this is a trip that I really wanted to take because I've been waiting several months for this concert, so I was very excited to go. At least I was able to take my camera along and talk to you guys while I was on the trip. But anyway, I think that's where I'm going to end it this week. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Don't forget that my video schedule is changing from Tuesdays to Thursdays. The time is still the same, 6 p.m. Central Time. If you haven't already, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you next Thursday.